That's it. We're breaking your Xbox. I even put on my last video, if the video gets 50 likes, then I'm gonna break your Xbox. So it's getting broken. All right,
50 likes?
That's it. I know.
Nah. 5,000 likes.
No, 50 likes. I'm breaking your Xbox.
No, 2,000 likes.
Nope. Sorry, buddy. Gotta go.
Mom, Jane's gonna break my Xbox One.
Like and subscribe. Watch out, Jordan.
You served me well, Xbox.
Watch out.
My Xbox!
His Xbox. Type of day, so let's go ahead and get this started.
Wait, Jane, can you do that again? Because I wasn't filming.
So basically what we're gonna do today is we have this trike that my brother's friend is gonna go ahead and pull me up this big hill, and I'm gonna skateboard down the whole thing, and they're gonna catch me by recording in the car. Just kind of feeling that adrenaline type of day, so let's go ahead and get this rolling. Hey, you know what'd be crazy? What's that? Take 3,651. The real cool challenge is that if you could take this ball, you can throw it all the way over your roof, and supposedly if you're fast enough, you can go ahead and catch it. So we're gonna try this today. You ready?